Hey, the winner gets a free Gatorade. Is it bad? Oh. You alright, Lee?
No.
What's up, Lee?
Not much.
Show us what you got.
Trouble Bubble Challenge, 16 million Scoville units. Give you an idea how hot this is. Your average jalapeno, the max is 5,000.
5,000.
That's your max.
What are you feeling like, Pete?
Fuck it. I mean, to heck with it.
To heck with it. There you go. All right, boys. Are you gonna cut it in half or what?
Yeah, we're gonna cut this in half. Split it. Single piece of gum. Somebody have 911 on speed dial. My airway may close up.
Of all the dumb
That
things
was
I've done dumber. I've done much dumber. Okay. Watch it on your fingers too. It's gonna.
Yeah, dude.
You might want to wash your hands after.
Definitely wash your hands.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go both at the same time, okay?
Here's cheers.
Hey, guys. Immediately wash your hands, okay?
All right.
And then we're gonna roll. See how long you guys can last. Dude, the winner gets a free drink.
Water. All right. Excellent.
Have Gatorade ready.
Hey, the winner gets a free Gatorade.
Wait, what? How
3, 2, 1, go. Pete,
Tastes really good.
Pete, I hope you don't have heart problems.
Should I mention that I do?
Yeah, I know you do.
Everything's on video, so the cops can see that this was not forced on Lee.
Is it hot? Pete, is it hot?
It's getting there.
All right, who am I rolling with? Let's get it over with.
You're gonna roll with Lee, bro. Yeah. All right, start rolling. Let's go. Lee and Pete, first round. All right, guys, let's go.
There you go, pass.
You good, Lee? Uh-oh.
Get your brain right.
How you doing, Pete? Is it bad? Oh. You alright, Lee?
No.
Water? Hey, someone get him a Gatorade.
Pete, stay over there. Stay over there. Stay over there.
No.
Take the camera up there. Keep driving.
You get my free drink?
Sip it slow. Pete, you lost. You don't get a free drink.
Pete, how you doing, bro? What's going through your mind right now?
It goes in waves. But you know what?
Hey, do something for YouTube.
You know, it's that when the pain wears off, it is a little euphoric, but then it comes back in a wave.